Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to accept payments on your Wix website. By the time you finish this walkthrough, you'll have a clear understanding of how to navigate your dashboard to set up payment options, build simple and efficient ways to receive payments, and make sure your checkout process is properly configured and ready for customers to use without any issues. To get started, open your Wix site dashboard. For this tutorial, you need to be in the site dashboard, not the editor itself. So if you're currently in the editor, you'll need to switch out first. This is essentially your control center, where you manage everything related to your website and business. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand side and find the section labeled Getting Paid. Go ahead and click on that. This area brings all your payment tools into one place, so you don't have to search through multiple settings. Inside the Getting Paid section, click on Connect and Setup. Think of this as your main payments hub. From here, Wix guides you through the process of enabling the services you need, whether you're selling products, offering services, managing bookings, or simply accepting one-time payments. Next, you'll see an option to connect payment methods. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose from a range of providers. These can include card payments, digital wallets, and other popular third-party processors. Select the options that best match how your customers prefer to pay. Once you've chosen a provider, Wix will guide you step-by-step through the connection process. Just follow the on-screen instructions and make sure your business details are entered accurately to avoid any issues. Once your payment methods are set up, you gain access to tools that let you accept payments without building a full online store. One of the most useful is a pay link, a simple link you can share via email, messages, or your website, allowing customers to pay you quickly and securely. You can also create invoices directly within Wix. This is especially useful if you want to send a more formal payment request. When creating invoices, be clear with your descriptions, pricing, and due dates so your customers immediately understand what they're being charged for. If you're selling directly through your website, your connected payment methods will automatically appear in your checkout. This ensures customers can easily complete their purchases using the options you've enabled. To provide a smooth experience, make sure your product pricing, taxes, and shipping settings are properly configured. It's also important to maintain consistent branding throughout the checkout process, so customers feel confident and secure when making a payment. That covers everything you need to confidently get started. With these essentials in place, you're well prepared to begin accepting payments and managing transactions efficiently through your Wix site. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, consider staying connected for more practical guides like this, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.